The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Wyoming until 10 p.m. tonight. People have seen a tornado on the ground in Wyoming, right nearby Cheyenne. Violent and dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement, bathroom, or shelter without windows. Tornado can pick a person up and throw them to the ground, causing death or injury. Please report damage to the National Weather Service so we can help out. Also call 911 if you or your family member is hurt. Repeating, a tornado warning is issued until 10